Hello guys, my name is Rafi Magpantay. Welcome to my presentation on how to do a proper lifting and holding and burping after feeding. Before we start, we need to do a proper hand hygiene. There are different ways in holding a baby. Number 1, cradle hold. Make sure that you provide support on neck, back, head, and also in their bottom. Next is lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. Their head should be at their waist face up. That is hip hold. Face your baby outward and make her sit on your waist and baby will comfortable to look around. Proceed for a birthing a baby. Shoulder hold. Make sure that you use a birthing cloth to manage the mess. Sit upright or stand to hold your baby against your chest and gently tap or rub the back to help her burp. Next, face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand. Gently tap or rub her back to help her burp. The last, sitting up. Gently assist the baby in a sitting position, support the neck and head, gently pat the back or rub to help her burp.